Today I wanna tell you how much I spent and earn in travel during 30 days. These numbers aren't fixed for sure. Each month it can change and it can be less or more. First, let's get a start to see how much I earn this month. I'm making handmade jewelry and sell it during travel. This is the way I earn money many years back when I started traveling, and this month I could sell $75, but I can say other months I was selling much better because my material finished this month, and I ordered from my country because I'm using a special stone and material for my design. My second way for earning is related to travel services and writing a travel plan for people who wanna travel anywhere worldwide. And yeah, this is the good way for me because I can do it anywhere I am. I make a travel plan for people. I obtain tour and visa for East Africa, tour for Oman, Iran, and any kind of tourist services. This month I could earn $110 from this way. Third way of earning is freelance project, which is also good for traveler. And I'm artist. I get different project about writing, painting, and social media. This month I could get just one project, so I didn't earn much this month from freelance project, but I'm hoping next month I'm getting better and more. I earned $50 this month from freelance project. In total, I earned $235 during travel and in 30 days. It's not maybe big money, but I show you how I spend it and how I manage it. This month, in total, I just spent $70. Maybe you ask how. Now, I'm telling you how. Watch this video till end. Yes, just $70 for food and all my expenses during 30 days. Actually, most I spend on food, but I tell you how. During travel, I usually don't have much expenses actually because always I'm doing volunteering somewhere. So they providing food and accommodation for me in exchange of a light work. But as I'm very foodie person, sometimes I just like to go out and eat my favorite dishes. And about transport, I'm always doing hitchhike. Very rare time I use public transport. I changed $40. Let's see how I spend this $40 in this month. Let's see some example of how I spend this month. I order online a mushroom wrap. Was $2.50 and was really tasty. A veggie burger in vegan touristic cafe, $4.50. Cheese sandwich, $3. Avo toast, $4. Veggie wrap, $3. But if you eat in local restaurant in Sri Lanka, it's totally different story. You get really big portion and with less money. I ate very big plate of noodles, just $1. Now, couple of example for transport. I get a bus from a city to another city, actually from Kandy to Gal, just $1.20. Transport, local one is very cheap. In Sri Lanka, there is some highway bus. They are more expensive for sure and more comfortable. For a short distance inside the capital city, Colombo, I get an online motorbike and I spend $1. If you going further distance, for sure will be more expensive. I had some else expenses like buying shampoo, cream, and some personal stuff, which average was $2, $3. So you saw how I spent just $70 in a month and I manage my expenses. If this video was useful for you, please share it, like it, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.